with just a few taps on your phone. That's the magic of GPS changers. Want to mark your attendance or enhance your gaming experience? These tools are game changers, simulating your location anywhere in the world. Gamers can unlock exclusive content available only in certain regions. Traveling? Navigate as if you're still at home, accessing your favorite apps easily. But remember, use these tools responsibly and stay within the law. So, why not explore the world from your couch? The possibilities are endless.